In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the fiscal year information in Zoho Books, a handy tool for managing your business finances efficiently. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring everything is crystal clear and easy to follow. First, make sure you're logged in to your Zoho Books account. Once you've done that, the next step is to navigate to the main dashboard of Zoho Books, where you typically find an overview of your financial data. This is your starting point, where you'll have quick access to all of your financial operations. Now let's move on to the next crucial step. Locate the Settings tab in your dashboard. It's typically represented by a gear icon, and clicking on it will open up a host of options related to your account management. From here, one of the options you'll see is Profile. Go ahead and click on that. This section houses all the key information and sections that define your account structure, including company details, basic settings, and more. As you dive into the Profile section, you'll need to scroll through the page to find the part labeled Fiscal Year. This section defines the accounting period your business follows, which is critical for accurate financial reporting and ensuring compliance with any legal requirements. In many cases, businesses have different fiscal years, and it's important that this setting aligns with your company's needs. Once you've located the Fiscal Year section, you'll see an option to edit it. Simply click on Edit, and you'll be able to adjust the date range to match your company's fiscal year preferences. Maybe your company follows a calendar year, beginning in January, or perhaps it aligns with a different cycle altogether. Either way, make sure you enter the correct starting and ending months for your fiscal year. This simple adjustment ensures that all of your financial reports, budgets, and forecasts will be accurate and tailored to your organizational needs. After you've made your changes, don't forget to save them. There's typically a button at the bottom or top of the page that says Save or Update, which finalizes the changes you've made. This step is crucial to ensure all your adjustments are registered in the system. And that's it. You're done. By following these steps, you have successfully updated your fiscal year information in Zoho Books. Keeping this element of your account up to date is not only beneficial for accurate reporting, but also helps maintain the integrity of your financial data over time. If you've got any questions or encounter any issues, reaching out to Zoho's support team would be a great next step. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.